Come here. Want some more? You see she doesn't have teeth. She'd probably take off my finger right now. All the chickens want some. Good girl. Eggs. See you guys later.